Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to automatically connect to the Tor network at a startup in Tor Browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. By default, Tor Browser may ask you to click the connect button every time you launch it. However, you can enable a setting that allows Tor Browser to automatically connect using your current network settings. This saves time and makes the startup process faster and more convenient. So let's get started. First, open Tor browser and then click on the menu icon in the top right corner and select settings from the drop down menu. Under Tor settings, select connection in the left sidebar. On the right, under connection section, you will find a option that says connect automatically. Turn on this one toggle switch, always connect automatically. Close it now. That's it. From now on, whenever you open Tor browser, it will automatically connect to the Tor network using your existing connection. If you ever need to change network settings or configure a bridge, you can always adjust them later from the Tor settings. This small setting improves convenience and makes launching Tor browser much quicker. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.